today. A Nebraska WoodSTR oversized fireplace delivery coming up. Here we go. Hey WoodSTRs, my name is Mike. Well, got the trailer back, the easy getting or easy delivering trailer. 2 face cords going out. That is all sitting right there in a pile. And I've got a little bit left over. I have a little bit left over right there, but at the end of the day, it's all virtually underneath there, but got all this here that we can split as well. So I've got a little bit of time before I need to deliver. So we're going to go ahead and split some of that right into the trailer so we don't have to jack with it. And brought the tester along just to make sure most of this is was standing dead elm and standing dead mulberry. So maybe a little bit of ash in there, but throw the tester on her, make sure that all is good before we throw it in the trailer. All right. Before we do anything, I think we're going to level off this trailer a little bit because she's sitting a little high. So let's do that quick. Okay, much better. All right, let's see if we can get this thing started and get her warmed up. Breaking out the glacier just happens to be in front of the oversized firewood pile, and everything just gets split once. So big pieces, so don't need the 4-way wedge. Trying to think when the last time I started that thing, but it's been a month or 2 ago, so a few extra poles. This morning is about 20-some degrees. Do have a storm coming in tonight, tomorrow, 5 to 8 inches, so I'm gonna try and get some stuff done in the yard. Got a couple of deliveries today. This one being the main one. Did fill up my wholesale, did my distribution duties for the day, got my retail stores filled up here this morning. So anyway, got to get this one out of the way. So, customer would like to get that into his basement before this snowstorm hits. So, all right, we'll bring you along. Well, that's why you bring a tester along. I was expecting all of this to be dry, and I was just going to confirm my suspicions that it was all dry, and I was wrong. Some of that bigger elm and bigger mulberry, so anything that was about yay big or larger, was still running in that 22 to 23% range. So she all got thrown right off to the side there. It's got to get stacked, and let her do it a little bit more seasoning. It won't take long now that it's split. But so we've got a couple more piles of smaller stuff in elm that we can get zipped up into 20-inch pieces just to get this two-face cord load filled up. So we got to do the stacking thing on this. If you remember on the last one, we've got 16 inches by 78 inches, needs to come 10 foot. So that'll give us 2/3 of a cord or two-face cord. So let's get stacked up, see how much we got left. Yeah, time to get the saw warmed up. Cut some of that stuff up over there and get her processed up. Make sure we got the dry stuff. All right, here we go. Well, there you go. Got that pile snubbed up there. Forgot to hit the recording button. So guess this will be more of a splitting video than just a splitting and cutting video. But anyway, that's all good and dry there. I did test some of that stuff, so we'll run it through the splitter here. See if we can't finish this load off. I'm a little concerned that we might be a tick short, but we'll see. Here we go. Well, wandering around the yard looking for one of my shin stabbers, and they are in every other vehicle other than the one I brought. So guess it's back work. My dad always said, if you don't use your head, you got to use your legs. In this case, got to use our back. All right, let's split it up. I'm not sure what she's got going on there. I think some of those rabbits and mice get up underneath those pallets, and so they get to digging and trying to get them mice dug out of there, or rabbits or whatever. Yesterday is up here in the yard, and the black lab, I don't know, she ran into something, stuck a stick or some piece of metal right up underneath, right behind her rib cage, and so this morning we went and down to the vet, put a couple of sutures in her, so you won't see her running around here for a while. Maybe hobbling, but not running. Should all be good. Didn't get into the guts, so I wasn't quite sure. I was going to kind of put a suture or two in last night after a couple of cocktails, but I wasn't quite sure. I was seeing straight enough to make sure nothing poked up into those guts, that so we let the vet figure that out this morning. But all right, moment of truth. See if we got enough here. All right, here we go. All right, there you go. 2 face cords stacked. Measured it up. It's actually a little bit more than that. We needed to be 10 foot to here, and we're about 10 foot 6 level with the side of the trailer and all the way across. So just looking down, a little bit above the edges, and a little bit longer where it was, but I'd rather have a little bit more than a little bit less. So get called out on the little bit less, and no one mentions much if you have a little bit more. So anyway, this is a pretty easy one today. We just take this trailer, drop it off in the driveway, put down the jack, and get the hell out of there. And yeah, pretty easy delivery. But anyway, just a quick little load to here today. And thanks for coming along with me. Thanks for all you new subscribers out there. Appreciate the support to the channel. Made it this far, make sure you hit all the buttons, and we'll see you on the flip side.